Hello children, in this video we will see the exercise 1.2 Arithmetic Progression. The last videos I already completed the exercise 1.1. Now I am going to start the exercise 1.2. Before going to start the exercise 1.2, we should know some things. Means nth term of the AP we should know. We already know the first term of the AP is represented by A1, second term is A2, third term is A3, and you already know the formulas also. Okay, so nth term, if you want to learn nth term of the AP, AP means arithmetic progression. See, first term A1 is equal to A, we know that. Then A2 is equal to A plus D. For the first term, if you add the D means you will get the second term A plus D. Then A3 equal to A plus 2D. In the last video only I told you about this. A4 equal to A plus 3D. While telling the general form of the AP. General form of the AP is what? A, comma A plus D, comma A plus 2D, A, comma A plus 3D. And general term means A plus n minus 1 into D. That is only called as a nth term of the AP. That general term only is called as a nth term of the AP. So here you see A1, A2, A3, A4, so on like this. If you are writing one number, you will get, means any number you can take that as AN. I will take, it may be 10, 20, 30, 40, anything it is. So AN equal to, what I can write same, see, A2 is equal to A plus D, A plus 1D, nothing is there, means here 1 will be. A3 equal to A plus 2D is there, here 3 is there, one number less. A3 equal to A plus 2D, A4 equal to A plus 3D, A5 equal to A plus 4D, like that. AN equal to, this is generally any number you can write, n may be anything here. 1 to infinite number, any number you can write here. So AN equal to, A you should write A plus, n is there, n may be anything. For n, one number less you should take. So n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of the AP, means last term of the AP. Means whatever the given sequence will be, no, in that last term will be nth term. Like that you have to understand it. So AN equal to what here? A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the important formula. Important. Okay. What is the AN formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And okay, if you remember this formula, you can solve the sums here. Okay, understanding now AN, how we will find it? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and here A means first term, n means number of terms. Suppose n you are taking 10 means A10 equal to A plus 10, you are taking n as a 10, no, 10 minus 1, 9D. See, A10 equal to A plus 9D will come, no, like that. General term it is. General term of the AP is also called as a nth term of the AP. If you know this formula, you can solve the exercise in the second exercise. You can solve in the sums in the second exercise, that is exercise 1.2. Okay, we'll go for the exercise 1.2 now. They have given one column there, one table they have given. What they did in that, they were in one sum they given A value, D value, they told you to ask AN sometime. And so then in the next sum they asked N, they given D, they given A, they asked, like that they did. But here total how many terms, how many unknown things are there? AN, A, N, D, 4 are there. In that 3 they have given, remaining 1 they told you to ask. You can simplify it, you can find out them. Okay, exercise 1.2 we'll see now. See here what they have given first main. Exercise 1.2 first main. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term. I already told you in the AP, A is the first term and D is the common difference and AN is the nth term of the AP. So if they have given like this, you have to use the AN formula. AN formula is what? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here you see first column, like this it is their column actually. See here, if you want to see like this they have given. You can see, able to see, no, A, D, N, AN. First one I have taken A equal to 7, D equal to 3, N equal to 8 and AN we have to find out using the formula. Okay, we'll find it now. So for A, what they have given 7, D equal to 3, N equal to 8, AN equal to what we have to find it. AN formula is what? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. First you have to write the formula. What they have given you should write, then you have to write the formula here. So AN, what they given here, we have to find it. Just you write as it is. What you want to find, just you write as it. AN, A value is 7, right now 7 plus N value is what here? 8. 8 minus 1 as it is I am writing. In the bracket only I am writing it because it multiplication for D. D value is what here? 3. Now AN as it is I will write AN equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 again. 7 in the bracket you can write, or you can put the multiplication or into the bracket you can put, or you should write into like this 7 into 3. Okay, so AN equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. So AN equal to 21 plus 7 is 28. Like this they have given the first one. So you have to fill there in that box. You have to fill the AN equal to 28. Next we'll see the second sum. Second sum, what they have given, they given A as a minus 18. Next to D they didn't give here. D they given the blank. D we have to find it. Then N they have given as a 8 and AN they given as a 0. 0. See here. AN they given as 0. Here also we have to use the AN formula, that is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You have to write the formula every time. That is important. If you write the formula, you will get the marks. At least half marks you are going to get. So always while solving the sums, you should write the formulas first. Okay, correct formula you have to write it. See here it is a multiplication, here it is addition, here it is a minus. A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, you should put the bracket compulsory here. Okay, then only this multiplication for both the numbers. AN value what they have given here, 0 is there. 0 I'll substitute. In the last sum AN they didn't give. Now they have given AN value. AN equal to, what we have to find it here? D value you have to find it. Okay, clearly they mentioned here what you have to find it. Easily you can do it. A value what is there here? Minus 18. Don't forget to write minus 18 plus N minus 1. Sorry, we have N value also here. So 8 minus 1 into D we don't know. So keep as it is. Now 0 equal to minus 18. First you have to solve the bracket. No. So 8 minus 1 is 7. D. We want D value, right? So this 18 you transfer left side. Whatever you don't know, no, that you have to keep one side. Whatever you know, that you should transfer one side. Always known things one side you should keep. Unknown things one side you have to keep. Means here unknown is D. D we want to find it. So 18 you transfer left side. So minus 18 is right side now. If you transfer left side, it will become plus 18 is equal to 70. Now between 7 and D multiplication is there. If I transfer left side, 18 by 7. So D value is 18 by 7. Okay, this is the D value. We got it. Next we'll see the third sum. Third what they have given, we'll see now. Third one, they didn't give the A value in that. A is, we have to find it. And D value is minus 3 they have given. D equal to minus 3. And N equal to 18. N equal to 18. And AN equal to minus 5 they have given. Okay. Here also we have to use AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN they given here. What it is? Minus 5 equal to A value we have to find it. So write as it is. N value is 18. So, and one more thing I want to say you, always N will be positive. N means number of terms will be positive. Number of terms will not be negative, right? So N value always it will be positive. D may be negative, AN may be negative, A may be negative, but N will not be negative. Remember it. D value what we have here? Minus 3 is there. This for this also I will put the bracket. Okay. Next, if I didn't put the bracket, it look like minus 3. Means you have to subtract like that. So between these two multiplication is there. So put in the bracket. Minus 5 equal to a plus 18 minus 1 how much? 17. In the bracket only I'll write it. Okay. Minus 5 equal to a plus, see here, 17. Between these two multiplication is there. 7 plus here plus is there. Plus into minus is minus. 17 3 is a 51. So I'll write in the bracket only. Here again it is plus into minus is minus, or you can write as a minus plus into minus is minus 51. Here minus 5. I want to find a here. So minus 51, if I transfer left side means it will become plus 51. So plus 51, this minus 5 as it is I'll write it. Okay, is equal to a. 51 minus 5 is 46. So a is equal to a equal to 46. Okay, now fourth sum we'll see. Fourth sum what they have given. A equal to 18.9 point they have given. D is 2.5. N we have to find it here. And AN is 3.6 they have given. Okay, here also same formula. What is the formula? AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN value they have given. How much it is there? 3.6 is equal to A value what they have given here? 18.9 plus N value we don't know here. Write as it is. N minus 1 into D. 2.5. Okay, here 3.6 as it is I am writing. Okay, 18.9 plus this 2.5 I'll multiply inside the bracket. This 2.5 is for N also, 1 also. So 2.5 with N I'll multiply first. Okay, this 2.5 is for both the numbers, N also, 1 also. 2.5 into N minus, here plus minus, plus into minus is minus. 1 into 2.5 is 2.5. Now 3.6 as it is I'll write. Here you see this is containing N. We can't add and subtract with this. So these two are constants. 18.9 minus 2.5. So we can subtract. This is 18.9 is plus, minus 2.5 is minus. So we can subtract it. So 18.9 minus 2.5 we have to subtract it. So 9.9 minus 5 is 4. Point as it is. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1. So 16.4 we got it. Bigger number is 18.9 which is containing plus sign. So plus 2.5 as it is I'll write it. Okay. Now you transfer the 16.4 left side. Okay. Sorry. Here they have given minus 18.9. I forgot to write it. Sorry. This is minus 18.9. Okay. If it is minus, this is also minus, this is also minus. Okay. If it is minus means what I will do here, this is also minus. Minus means you have to add it. So we should know, we should add it. 18.9. See, don't forget to write the signs. See, minus 18.9 they have given. I have written plus means some will become wrong there. So you have to add it now. And you should keep the minus sign only. 9 plus 5, both also containing minus means minus only you should keep and add it. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry. Point as it is I am writing. 8 plus 2, 10, 11. 1, 1. 21.4. 21.4. Minus only it is because both also containing minus plus 2.5 N. Now this minus 21.4 I'll take left side, then it will become 3.6 plus 21.4. Here 3.6 is there already left side. So 2.5 is equal to 2.5 into N. Now you should add it. 3.6 plus 21.4. So add it now because both also containing plus signs. So 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 5. So 25 will come. So 25 is equal to 2.5 N, or 2.5 into N is equal to 25. 25. Then N we want here. So N you keep here only. 25 divided by 2.5. See, if you know directly you can do it. Otherwise, do one thing. Here in the denominator, after the point, one place is there means you have to multiply 10. Suppose two places are after the point, two places are there means you have to multiply 100 to remove the point. So I'll multiply 10 to numerator also, 10 to denominator also. Okay, whatever you're multiplying to denominator, that you should multiply to numerator also. Because we should not change the number, but we want to remove this decimal. Because we don't know how to cancel it means. Otherwise, if you know directly, you can get the answer as a 10 there, 2.5. Ones are 2.5, tens are 25 will come. But if you don't know, you just do like this. 250 will come. Correct? No, 25 into 10 is 250 divided by here. 2.5 into 10 is 25. So, 25 ones are 25 tens are. So, n value is 10, you are going to get it. So, n is 10 there. They told to find the n value, no. So, n we will get as a 10 there. Next, we'll see the last sum of this main. That is fifth sum. Fifth sum, what they have given? A value 3.5 they have given. 3.5. D they are given as a 0. N they have given as a 105. And an they told to find here also. An formula is what? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is what here? Don't know. An write as it is. They told to find it. 3.5. A value is 3.5 plus n minus 1. 105 minus 1 into 0. D values they have given 0 means it will become 0 only. 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. Anything if you multiply with a 0 it will become 0. So an equal to 3.5. This is called constant AP because always if D value is 0 means we can say that is a constant AP. Okay. In the next video we'll see the next mains. So second main. Actually in this exercise we have totally 20 sums. Actually second main and third main sums are there. Second main 2 sums you have, third main you have 5 sums, then sums they have given 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 20. This exercise is very important. If you want to get the notification of next videos, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the notification of next videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and share to your friends also. It is helpful for them. Thank you.